Hi everybody, welcome. Thank you so much for joining me and my sidekicks. Wyatt's here too, but he is already in his video position, right? He goes to sleep. So, the gang's all here because we have an unboxing for you. So, I have not just an Amazon Prime wardrobe unboxing for you, but I tried their brand new Amazon Prime style. So that means that a stylist picked out these items for me. So it's all part of their Prime wardrobe. However, you sign up. I got an invitation. They said they were trying out their own Stylist box, and you sign up, fill out a profile. It's all try before you buy. There was no styling fee. A stylist was assigned to me. It took about 3 days, I believe, and I got a notice. I got an email that told me to check out the app. It's all through the Amazon app, that my stylist had picked out some options for me. I believe there was about 10 to 12 options for me to choose from. I was allowed to pick up to 8, just like the Prime wardrobe, where you're allowed to have 8 items to try before you buy. I was allowed to pick up to 8 items that she, I believe it was a she, selected for me. And then the rest works like Prime wardrobe. They box it all up for you and send it off to you. So let's see how my stylist did. I only picked 5, I believe it was 5 of the items to have sent to me. So you can pick a category, like business casual, vacation, something like that. And I picked business casual, which my office is pretty casual. We're allowed to wear jeans. We can even wear t-shirts as long as it has the company logo on it. I like to be a little bit dressier than that, but I do wear jeans. We can't wear jeans with holes in them, but aside from that, you can wear jeans. So I thought I would try the business casual box theme to see what it looked like. So some of the items that she had picked for me were a little too dressy for my normal lifestyle, which is why I only picked 5 of the items to try. So here is the inside of my box, similar to Prime wardrobe. Everything's within a package, and I will get these all out and share them with you. There should be an envelope. There's color. Yes, so there is an envelope in here that'll have all my prices in them. I do have shoes. You also get a mailing label. Actually, this was supposed to be inside here. You will get a mailing label as well to return everything. Everything goes back in the box that I just opened, and you just put everything back in there that you don't want and seal it up and send it back UPS. So, yep, UPS. Oh, I got 6 items. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 6 items in here. Cool. All right, so we'll do the shoes first, since they'll be the easiest to unbox. And I believe when they are, this is repackaged and recyclable boxing. So check out those boots. These are by Sam Edelman in a nice taupey color. So those are cute. That's my first item. I'll go over pricing with you while I open them instead of at the end this time. So those were $90.30. All right, let me get everything else out of the plastic and we'll run through it all. Okay, everything's out of the plastic. First up is a dress. This is the VERO MODA Women's Laksmi 3/4 sleeve length cap dress in Night Sky for $69. And keep in mind, all of these are stylist picks this time. So this is a wrap dress. There is no give to this material. It feels very silky. So it's coming open right now. You can see, let's see. Yeah, this is a true wrap. It looks like the colors are very pretty. 3/4 sleeve. Okay. Next up is, this is by Joa. Yeah, Joa. Women's embroidered velvet bomber jacket in charcoal. This was $116.73. Check out that embroidery. Purples and pinks going into spring. So I think that's cute. Pricey, but it's cute. Next up is by Blank NYC. And this is the women's jacket, Mean Streets, for $98 in this faux leather in black. No closures, has the front pockets. That's cute. Next is by Anne Klein in this very, very pretty pink color. And this is the women's V-neck long sleeve blouse. And this is $46.81. So these prices are what they are. This is not, there's no special discount if you keep a certain amount of items. Just keep what you love, send back what you don't. Free shipping both ways. So this is just a pretty silky blouse. Yeah, by Anne Klein. I love this color. Long sleeve, very pretty. And the last item is a pair of Lucky Brand jeans. I have mixed luck with Lucky Brand jeans. A lot of times they don't fit me in the waist. These are the Sienna Slim Boyfriend. I always struggle with Boyfriend too, but I thought, what the heck, we'll give them a try. These are pricey though. They're $99, and that is the price, you know, price of them normally. So no breaks on that. And they do have a cuff at the bottom. And that's all the items. So, what do you think of the Stylist picks? The other things that she picked that I didn't have sent to me were a little dressier, like pumps and things like that. While I love that stuff, I already have enough and don't need to add any more to my collection since they're not things I need to wear on a regular basis. So, let's try these things on and see how they look. Be right back. Okay, so first up is the dress. So this has this longer in the back, kind of comes up to that little point in the front. It is a true wrap here. So I do think it could have some pull here at the top if I don't wrap it tight enough. It is a silky fabric. There's no actual stretch to it. I think the colors in this dress are super pretty. Very nice going into spring. I just stuck nude pumps on with it, but you could do a cute sandal too. I like the purple in it. I like the tan in it as well. I'm not sure though. I feel like it obviously needs steam, so I feel like it's going to wrinkle easily, like once I sit in it. And I feel like I need to put a snap or something here just for cautionary purposes. But I think it's pretty. I also think like the wind, what if the wind catches this? That could be a problem too. All right, let's do another outfit. And we'll get a little closer here for you guys real quick just so you can see it. It is a silky material and it is a navy. If you guys didn't pick up on that, it's navy and tan and white and this really pretty pinky purple color. Okay, so next up I have on the Lucky Brand jeans and the Anne Klein pretty pink blouse. And I also put on the booties. So here is the full outfit. These booties are actually very cute. I love the taupe color of them. They're very comfortable considering they're probably a 3-inch heel maybe. They're a suede zip on the inside. They fit very nicely. They're cute. The jeans are very nice. They're Lucky Brand. They're cute with the crop, so the actual cuff is perfect for these particular kind of boots. They have a nice stretch to them. They're a boyfriend. And I like everything about them except for the back. So this is how lucky jeans tend to fit me for some reason. So they just do not ever fit me in the waist right. So they are not going to work for me. And I think even if I size down, I'm not sure they would still fit right. There's just so much gaping here. So other than that, they're cute. The top, I think, might be a little bit big on me. Let me make sure it is an extra small here. It is. So it is an extra small. It is very pretty. I love, love, love the color. I love the length of it. I was thinking maybe it's a little bit big in the shoulders, but maybe it's okay. It has the cute little notch at the neck, which I also like. It'd be really pretty dressed up. You could also front tuck it if you wanted to. Put it where it is dressed up with a skirt or with dress pants. But it's a stunning color. I like it. So let's try it with the bomber jacket. Maybe I should front tuck it for this. So this bomber jacket is very cute. It's very soft. I'm going to get closer so you guys can see this pattern on it. So it has this very pretty floral pattern embroidered on it on both sides. And it would be very cute for transitioning into spring. I think even with a t-shirt or a tank. I think this is very, very pretty actually. I think you could dress this up for work or wear it for casual. You could even put a white t-shirt underneath it if you wanted to. Or it has yellow, greens. I actually really like this. And it fits pretty well. What do you guys think of this? All right, and the last item to try on is the jacket by BB Dakota, which is this faux leather one, which I think I have very similar in a taupe color, probably the color of these boots actually. Okay, so this is the jacket, which feels tight for some reason. It doesn't have any closure, so it's not supposed to close. It's supposed to hang open. But I feel like it looks wide in the shoulder and small here. And maybe that's supposed to be the style, but it's also long in my arms. So I'm feeling, this feels ill-fitting to me. I'm not liking it. Ugh, I want to pull it, but it's not going to go anyway because that's not how it's supposed to fit. Plus, I think I have other black faux leather jackets that I probably wouldn't keep this one, especially since I keep messing with it. Yeah, okay. So I think the sleeves are too long. I think the shoulders seem to fit kind of oddly for me for some reason. And I keep wanting to pull this and it's not supposed to. All right, guys, I will be right back. Let me show you a closer look at this just so you guys can see it because it's actually a cute jacket. I just think it, for me, it feels kind of odd. All right, I'll be right back. All right, so what do you think of Amazon Prime wardrobe style box, right? So my first time, didn't give a ton of structure for my stylist to work with from this one, right? But I do like that you get to preview and look at the items and pick what you want from a bigger selection. So I'm pretty sure she gave me 10 to 12 items to choose from, and I picked 6 of them, and I was allowed to tell her I wanted more options to choose from, but I chose to just stick with what she had offered me and go from there. And I was allowed to pick up to 8. I stuck with these 6 and to get my box sooner and get this out to you guys to see how the style box would work. So no styling fee, so what the heck, right? So if you have Amazon Prime, I think it's another one of their offerings. Figured why not? Let's run through them. Okay, so first up was the blouse, and I love this color. So, and it would be nice for work, good for layering, nice going into spring. I'm thinking about this one, probably mostly because of the color. I love it. So that's a maybe. The jeans by Lucky. Yeah, Lucky jeans just aren't my thing. I think they're just not cut for me for some reason. They are not a good fit. So these are a no. The shoes. What did you guys think of these? So I think these are really cute, but I'm still holding hope that spring is coming. And I won't need to be wearing booties too much longer. So I liked these. I think they're actually very cute, but they're $90. And spring is coming, right? Oh, I hope so. So for now, they're a maybe. I want to think about them. I love the taupey color of them, but I want spring to come. So next up is this little bomber jacket, and this would be something I could wear into spring as the weather is changing, and you could wear it with, you know, a cute little peep toe booty or something, right? I like this. So this is a maybe for me, and this one was the most expensive thing in the box, right? Is this? Yeah, this is the JOA, $116. So I'd almost rather spend my money here, I think. At least that's where my head is right now. I kind of like this. It's cute. It's different. I don't know anything like it. It's like a velvety. I'm looking to see if it's, oh, velvet. Yeah, so it's a velvet bomber. I don't know anything like that. I think it's cute. Next up is the blank NYC jacket, and I don't know, the fit and the cut for this just wasn't comfy on me, so this one's a no. And last was the dress, and I love the pattern of this dress, but I just think this is going to become a nuisance for me, just trying to keep it all in place. So this one I'm leaning towards a no as well. So what did that leave me with? So that left me with the dress, or I'm sorry, that left me with the bomber jacket, the pink blouse, and maybe the booties, but I'm thinking maybe the bomber instead. So I thought that was fun. I like trying it out. I like seeing what my stylist picks for me because there is a whole lot of clothes on the Amazon site for you to pick from, and it can take me hours, if not a few days, to throw together a Prime wardrobe box for myself. So if I can have someone else do it for me, I actually think it might be worth having them try it out. So I actually enjoyed this. And if I keep 2 items out of 6, that's not bad, right? I think that's not too bad. So I will list all these items down below because you could always buy them directly from Amazon, even if you don't want to do an Amazon Prime wardrobe or try out their new Prime wardrobe style box. You could still get them right off the Amazon site. But I will list them all down below. I hope you enjoyed this video and hearing about something new that Amazon is starting. And I would love it if you would subscribe to my channel and show me and my sidekick some support. I think Wyatt slept through the whole thing. He's still here, but he's, I don't think he's moved from that position. And Zena, she thinks I'm wrapping up, so she knows that means she's getting paid in treats. Thanks so much for joining me today. Hope you're having an awesome, awesome day. Till next time, everyone. Have a great one. Bye, everybody.